Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another episode of cooking. So for today's recipe is blue ternate rice. How to cook blue ternate rice. So the first thing to do is we are going to wash the rice about 3 times. Just like cooking the normal rice. It's very easy to cook blue ternate rice. So discard all the water. And then after washing, we have here 5 pieces of blue ternate flour. We just need to pour some boiled water into it. Just enough water to cook our blue ternate rice. We need boiled water because we need to extract the color and the juice of the blue ternate flour. Just stir and stir until the water will become blue. And then after that, just soak for about 5 minutes. So we need to soak it for about 5 minutes before putting it into the rice. As the water to cook the rice inside the rice cooker.
So it's already 5 minutes. So we are going to take away the flowers before putting the water with the color of the blue ternate flower. So discard all the flowers and then put it on the pot of the rice. Make sure it's enough for the rice to cook. And then stir a little bit. And then on the rice cooker. But before closing, put some butter. So the butter will give it like soft texture and a fragrant smell. And it will become tasty. The rice will be very tasty if you put some butter. Actually, we like to put butter, even our normal rice, we put butter. And add some salt also to taste. So now it's time to close the rice cooker and on. So after 5 minutes, it's already done. Our rice.
as you can see, the rice turned into blue already, and it's beautifully cooked. You see, the rice is very pretty. It's not soft. It's not so watery. It really smells so good and delicious because I put the butter and it gives very good fragrance to the rice. So that's all for today about that blue ternate rice. Thank you so much for watching. And to those who haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, like and share so that you will be updated for my next upcoming videos. Bye bye. Keep safe everyone. God bless.
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너, 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가